Welcome, here I've got Motorola Razr 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the save settings, and here we have the save location option. So by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on easily like that as we need. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device to make it work. So remember about these two parameters. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. And now let's move here to this button from the right. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. To check its location let's just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have the location with the map. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.